Okay, in previous video I talked about online marketing. So let me go in depth in the understanding of online marketing. So first of all, you have to have a certain product of your own. It can be some drop shipping product, or it can be some of your own created courses by you, or some other affiliate courses. So it can be anything. So once you are ready with your course, the next thing to do with that is how to price it, because ultimately you have to be in profit and able to scale. So until and unless you are not pricing it in a well manner, you are not going to survive in this online marketing. So, and also the product should be a good fit in the market. There will be certain product which you will be liking, but no one in the market likes it. So that product is certainly not going to sell out in the market. So keeping this thing in mind, select your product accordingly, and it should be a right fit in the market. You can do various research before coming up with a product. Like you can do some, you can read comments of the niche you are going to serve on YouTube videos, or on Quora.com, or any lot of other resources. So once you are done with audience research, and you will be clear with all the ideas about the people, for what people are looking for, and you will be coming up with certain product of your own. So getting this thing sorted, the next thing is getting your backend structure ready. Okay, so a lot of you might not be knowing what is backend structure in online marketing. It can be anything like a website or a landing page where someone lands and read the description of your product or your offering, and then they are going to purchase it. So it can be a landing page or some automation, like you send some messages to your list which you have built over time, that this is the product I'm offering, and if you are interested in trying out and buying it for your betterment and becoming better in your life, then check out the product which I'm offering. So this can be something, or you can do it through email marketing also, where through email you are giving some description of your product, and in the longer run people will be purchasing it because they have seen the value which you are giving. Or it can be through some sales video also. In a sales video you are explaining everything related to the product, what it can do for the people who purchase it, and what all benefits they will be getting, what all positive changes they will be about to bring in their life. So these things will be shared in the sales video. The next thing is, uh, when you have got your backend structure ready, is to bring traffic to that, to those backend pages, or uh, to emails. So for that you can do a lot of campaigns, and there are a lot of resources available. Like you can go to Facebook ads, through Instagram ads, through YouTube ads, through Google ads, through your website. A website is also a traffic source, because on website you jot down lot of points, and once you put it in a structure, and it will be serving a particular niche of people. All the people who find value through it will be purchasing the products which you are recommending to them. So a blog can be a very good source of traffic which you own, and not other owns, like YouTube or Facebook or Google, because these are the different platforms which are owned by companies and not by you. A blog is something which you directly own, so it is a handy resource for traffic. Okay, getting all these three things sorted, the next thing is coming up with uh, blue ocean for your product. Let me explain. There are two types of market when you launch a product. Like one product which you launch for a red ocean, in which there are lot of participating players. You will face a lot of competition among all, and it will be very difficult for you to raise your bar and scale your service. So this is one which is called red ocean, and the other one is blue ocean, where there is very little or no competition at all. It is the place where you are going to scale, and not only a scale, you are going to take it to a level. uh, Obviously you are offering or the product which you are giving to a level where no one can ever touch the level and the scale. So now let me give you an example. In the market you might be seeing a lot of products uh, on courses like you can learn Facebook ads, but you'll find and you can find a lot of pricing options also, like 500, 600, 1000. Obviously I'm talking in rupees. But if you create a course on certain line, like this is a Facebook course which will give you ultimate freedom, and it is a practical one because it has all the things which I had applied in my journey and got results for myself and my clients, and not I'm talking only based upon theoretically, but but you will be seeing all the practical resources within that. So this is a type of course which will create a blue ocean for you, because all those people who are selling 500 rupees, 600 rupees courses, they are something like they will be taking you to a Facebook ads dashboard, and they will be showing you how to run the ads, but how to bring results, those things can't be shown in 500, 600 rupees course, right? So for that you have to create a certain different angle for your resource and the courses which you are offering, and ultimately it is going to pay you in the longer run, where your scale of business will be very high. So the structure of your business or the product matters a lot. Having said these things, I'll be concluding my today's learnings, and I'll be coming up with more learnings from my online marketing journey tomorrow. Obviously, if you want to learn with me, just follow the daily videos which I put on YouTube on this platform and keep following. We'll see you again. Bye. Bye for today.